Hi traders, welcome to Khajane Trade and Trade. Trading in options is high risk and high reward game. If you learn options properly, you can reduce your risk and increase your rewards effectively. If you want to learn how to trade options profitably, our one-day workshop will help a lot. If you don't want to lose your hard earned money, you must ensure that you can find the right stocks or right strikes for options trading. You must also understand when to take trade and how to manage your trades. In our one-day workshop, you are learning basics of options and advanced strategies. For more information, please call on 96866 85157. Thank you.